Hi, my name's Deborah, and this is a testimonial for Shima, Shad, Rouh. I have seen Shima for a number of sessions since the beginning of this year for various reasons. I think the most significant of those sessions was after I had some breathing issues when I was in Marbella. I went to a cardiologist and the cardiologist told me that I had cardiac disease, heart disease, and wanted me to go for some very invasive tests. Well, I'm not very good at hospitals and invasive tests, and I decided, because I'm very much into working naturally, that I would have a session with Shima to see whether she could make any difference with her therapy, emotion and body code. Well, what was really significant and amazing was that after one session, my breathing issues disappeared. She found 5 fist-sized blockages in my heart wall, and released them. And I cannot tell you the difference ever since. I have not had any breathing issues. In actual fact, the very next day, myself and my partner went to Cordoba, and I actually walked for about 7 hours. And we walked up a very high tower. And I've got to say, when I got up there, I was tired and my legs ached, but I wasn't breathless. And that was really significant for me. And I have not been breathless since. So I highly, highly recommend Shima and her emotion and body code and her other therapies. She's also helped me to get rid of some real fear around the economic situation that's going on in the UK at the moment. I was really starting to find myself paralysed, and now I'm completely at ease and just focusing on what I can do to move away from the UK. So thank you so much, Shima. It really has been a great experience working with you, and I do highly recommend Shima. Thank you.